Welcome to Shockwave Updates. Stay tuned for the state-of-the-art breaking information and in-intensity insurance of latest most important stories. Let's dive proper in.
Trump each made news that sent a chilling effect through the semiconductor industry. Bloomberg reported the Biden administration has told allies it may use its most severe trade curbs on companies that continue to give China access to advanced chip technology. U.S.-listed shares of Dutch equipment provider ASML fell 11% in morning trading, even as the company beat second-quarter profit estimates. Shares of AI heavyweight NVIDIA lost ground, along with fellow chip makers AMD, Qualcomm, Broadcom, Micron Technology, and ARM Holdings. The Biden administration has been aggressive in its efforts to curb China's access to cutting-edge chips, with sweeping restrictions in October that limited exports of AI processors designed by NVIDIA and other U.S. firms. And in a separate report in Bloomberg Businessweek, Trump questioned U.S. support for Taiwan, saying the island that China claims as its territory should pay for U.S. protection. That sent U.S.-listed shares of Taiwan Semiconductor, the world's largest contract chip maker, down 6%. Taiwan is home to several semiconductor makers, and analysts have warned that any conflict over the island may shatter the global economy. But one chip company bucked Wednesday's downward trend. Shares of Intel were up more than 2% in midday trading, with analysts pointing to its efforts to build plants in the U.S.
As we heard properly, chip stocks have seen a widespread drop amid worries that the United States may tighten its export restrictions on semiconductor system to China. This worry has brought about ERA shares to stoop globally. The promote-off became brought on with the aid of a document suggesting that the Biden management ought to implement stricter controls on semiconductor exports to China. Adding to the market's anxiety, former US President Donald Trump commented that Taiwan, the sector's biggest chip manufacturer, must fund its very own protection. These comments have exacerbated concerns approximately capability disruptions in global chip substances. In the US, the tech-heavy Nasdaq index fell with the aid of 2.7% on Wednesday. The decline became reflected in chip shares throughout Europe and Asia. Bob O'Donnell, leader analyst at TEC Analysis Research, cited, "Regardless of the outcome of the elections, I think we will see the USA boom a number of the restrictions. How ways they will take it, even though, is the large query." In Asia, Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, TSMC, a leading chip maker, saw a 2.4% drop on Thursday, even as Tokyo Electron, a semiconductor system manufacturer, plunged by means of 8.8%. In the USA, NVIDIA's stock closed 6.6% decrease on Wednesday, and AMD skilled a decline of greater than 10%. European shares in ASML, a corporation that manufactures chip-making machines, plummeted by way of nearly 11%. Semiconductors, usually referred to as chips, are important additives used in a huge variety of digital devices, from smartphones and computers to vehicles and clinical device. These tiny portions of ERA are the spine of current electronics, enabling gadgets to procedure facts and carry out complicated duties. Countries inclusive of Taiwan, South Korea, the USA, Japan, and China are foremost gamers in the semiconductor industry, with Taiwan and South Korea leading in chip manufacturing. These declines observed a Bloomberg News file on Wednesday indicating that America authorities is making ready to impose its strictest regulations but on semiconductor making system exports to China, mainly if corporations like ASML and Tokyo Electron keep to deliver superior chip generation to the USA. When contacted by way of BBC News, the USA Commerce Department, ASML, and Tokyo Electron declined to remark. The Biden management has formally taken measures to limit China's access to superior chip ERA. In October, it restrained the export of advanced semiconductors used in synthetic intelligence (AI) technology to China. Trump's remarks on Taiwan have in addition hinted at potential disruptions in the worldwide chip delivery chain. Taiwan is an important player, generating maximum of the world's superior chips. Marco Mesger, Executive Vice President of Memory Chip Generation employer Numonda, commented, "Investors always react to any feedback from America, but regardless of those remarks, the long-term enterprise fashion for the semiconductor enterprise is genuinely going up." These developments underscore the sensitive nature of the semiconductor industry inside the worldwide marketplace and the capacity impact of geopolitical tensions on technology shares. Thank you for watching Shockwave Updates. Don't overlook to love, comment, and subscribe for more updates.